tonight. It's an honor for me, Lady T, to just even be here today to represent the Haitian independent culture and also the Haitian Flag Day. As I stated earlier, it's going to be live here in the Rasta Village in the heart of Little Haiti, 5225 Northwest 2nd Avenue in the city of Miami. And I'm going to bring up the next gentleman. He is a reggae artist as well, and his name is Peter Michael, Single Peter Michael.
Greetings and love, sister.
Mr. Michael, tell me a little bit about your music. Tell me a little bit about the culture and the vibe that you represent in honor of Haitian Flag Day.
Yeah, blessed to Haitian Flag Day. We have come through and strengthen the nation of Haitian, you know. So the music is culture. It's the heartbeat of the people, you know. The music where we meditate and get stronger, you know. Build the races, you know.
Can you give me a little sample of some of your music that we're going to have live here in the Rasta Village on Saturday, May the 20th in honor of the Flag Day Festival?
Yeah, you know, you can sample it here. Little did I know my life Babylon would want tear I apart. Little did I know their society, them wouldn't want I apart. And from the day I know myself, I spent my life in the barn. And from the day I came into this earth, I am a Rasta man. Treading this earth day and night, confronted with Rasta man. And from the day I met the Rasta man, I chant revelation, yeah. Little did I know my life Babylon would want here I am. Yes, you know.
I love it, I love it, I love the vibes. I'm so excited. We're live tonight in the Rasta Village in Little Haiti, Miami. We big up all the Haitian people, Americans, Bahamians, all the international cultures. It's gonna be nice. You need to be here.